Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know what is the minimum income requirement for a Suncorp credit card. So to understand this, you have to go to their official website. For that, open up a browser, go to the link that is www.suncorp.com.au/bank and save credit card. As Suncorp Bank offers a variety of credit cards, so according to the credit card that you hold or that you wish to apply for, the income or the minimum income rate differs. So you have to go ahead and read the detailed information. So click on find out more next to the particular credit card that you've selected, and over here you'll be able to see this sort of interface such as balance transfer offer, rewards, all of that. If you scroll down to the bottom, you should be able to find the information or the type of answer that you're looking for. So that's basically how you can view the minimum income requirement for Suncorp Bank's credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.